Hi guys, Felix from Pinoy IEs and nandito ako ngayon sa IEX 2024. Mag-interview tayo ng mga IE students to get their insights about industrial engineering. So, let's go!
Hi everyone, my name is Rina Lia M. Dayot and I'm from Rizal Technological University, Boni Campus.
Hello everyone, I am Clarence Cibulo from the University of Santo Tomas Legazpi.
My name is Jeric Herrero Martinez from Rizal Technological University, Boni Campus.
Hello, I'm Annika, a fourth year industrial engineering student from UP Dalaman.
Hi, my name is Christine Joy Eneria and I am from Rizal Technological University.
Unang-una, hindi ko siya talaga as in pinili kasi ang unang-unang gusto kong course is civil engineering. Pero kasi may kakilala ako dati na isa siyang industrial engineering and then super na-inspire niya ako dahil yung way ng pag-work niya is talagang broad. Ganyan talaga sa what if kaya itry ko yung industrial engineering? Then, nag-search ako sa internet. Sabi ko, napakaganda pala talaga ng mga opportunity na darating in the future. So, why not na itry?
Basically, I chose IE as my course in college because of influence. I have a relative who's an IE now and is in Canada working there abroad.
Unexpected po kasi naghahanap po ako ng engineering na bagay sa akin and I think ilan sa mga options ko is civil engineering and electrical. Pero sa tingin ko, hindi ako magiging best doon. Hindi ako mag-excel. So nag-aya ako and part na din ng influence ng kuya ko since siya, IE din.
One of the things that drew me to IE was how a lot of math and science are still involved. Growing up, I really enjoyed those subjects and I wanted to play to my strengths here in college. So that's something I really wanted to get into. I also liked how IE gave me a lot of opportunities in terms of career and what kind of industries I want to work to because when you're choosing your major at grade 12, it's natural for you to still be unsure of what you'd want to do for work for the rest of your life. So I like how IE gave me that breadth of opportunities in terms of career.
Nung magte-take na ako ng first year college ko, isa sa challenge ko talaga is yung pagpili ng course. And yung isa sa napupusuan ko talaga is engineering. And therefore, nung sa pagre-research ko, marami pala talagang types of engineering. So, hindi na ako masyadong naging interested sa civil. So, naghanap pa ako ng ibang field ng engineering na interesting and na medyo na-caught ng attention ko is yung industrial because meron doon na sinasabi na ang industrial engineering is a jack of all trades. So, doon ako nagkaroon ng change of heart na, okay, sige, industrial engineering na lang yung pipiliin ko.
As an IE student, nung una talaga sobrang nahirapan ako, especially sa mga subjects na talagang super nagluksa ako. To the point na talagang hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin. Pero, naging thankful din ako, syempre, kasi eto nga, with the help of seminars, ganun na itatatak ko sa isip ko na napakaganda ng IE.
So far, currently I am in my third year of college, and so far it's very challenging, if I could say one word, challenging yun, because as apart from being an IE student, which is a very complex and broad field, I am also a student leader, so I have to find the balance between the two. So, yeah, it's very challenging.
Habang tumatagal, parang minamahal ko na din yung IE. Kasi na-realize ko na super lawak ng sakop ng IE and yun nga, parang pagdating ng panahon, in demand pa din siya. Isa siya sa pinaka-in demand na trabaho sa buong mundo.
Being an IE student, kapag ka mahina yung loob mo, talagang susukuan mo siya. Kasi kahit na sinasabi nila na instant engineer, no, hindi basta-basta naging instant engineer lang yung mga industrial engineers. Siguro nung mga unang year ko sa college, talagang nahirapan ako kasi andun yung mga maths talaga. Pero nung habang tumatagal ako, dun ko mas na-explore pa yung sarili ko na ito talaga yung course na pasok sa mga fortes ko, lalo na sa mga management and such.
Oh my God! PE? Charot! um, I think, ano ba? Hindi eh. Yung Bosch. Yung safety and, health. Kasi gusto kong magtrabaho sa field. Sa mga constructions, ganun. So, ayun yung pinaka, I think na nagustuhan kong subject. By Sir Barrera to.
I used to hate math, but ever since I entered college, I learned how to love the subject itself. So, feeling ko po OR, Operational Research. So, I'm currently taking the second one right now. Pero OR1 it's nice. I get to learn a lot of things and apply math to practical areas in my life or in situations that I don't think na ma-apply ko pala sila doon. So, yun to.
My current favorite IE subject would have to be operations research because it's a very challenging subject, but with the right teacher, which I'm privileged enough to have here in UP, it was very fun and it was very It was both challenging and practical, and I can see how those lessons and those principles can be used in real life applications.
Marami kasi akong favorite na subject sa IE. Pero siguro ang pinaka napusuan ko is yung work management, yung operations, and yung supply chain. Basta yung mga subject ni Ma'am Lazaro, favorite ko talaga. Kasi lahat, nagamit ko siya nung nag-OJT ako.
Ito yung laging sinasabi ng mga prop sa atin. There is always room for improvement. Ayun. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
IE, amazing.
Fun. Thank you.
IE in one word would have to be inventive because with IE it gives you so many opportunities in terms of personal and professional growth and what IEs can do for the Philippine community as well.
IE is for improvement talaga. Kasi hindi lang siya improvement para sa papasukan mong career, pero improvement din para sa sarili mo. Kasi yung mga fears ko dati, yung leading, managing, lahat yon na natutunan ko siyang gawin, lalo na nung nag-IE ako. Thank you po.